Thailand, land of smiles, land of vibrant culture, a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, land of endless airport waits. We've all been there. The excitement of your journey can quickly turn into frustration as you find yourself stuck in a crowded airport gate, waiting for your next flight. You've just stepped off a long-haul flight, excited to explore the bustling streets of Bangkok, with its vibrant markets and street food, or relax on the pristine beaches of Phuket, where the turquoise waters beckon. But first, you face the dreaded layover. Hours of waiting with nothing to do but watch the clock tick by. Fear not, intrepid traveler, for there is a solution. A way to transform your layover from a tedious wait into a part of your adventure. A haven away from the crowds, a sanctuary of peace amidst the chaos. A place where you can unwind, recharge, and prepare for the next leg of your journey. It's called Priority Pass, and it's about to revolutionize your Thailand adventure. With Priority Pass, you gain access to exclusive airport lounges around the world, including right here in Thailand. Imagine this. Instead of jostling for a plastic chair, you're sinking into a plush armchair. A comfortable seat where you can stretch out and relax. Instead of choking down a stale sandwich, you're savoring complimentary snacks and drinks. Fresh, delicious options that make your wait enjoyable. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of Priority Pass. Discover how it can enhance your travel experience, making every moment of your journey as enjoyable as your destination. From the moment you step into the lounge, you'll feel the difference. Priority Pass is more than just a pass. It's your ticket to a better travel experience. Priority Pass is a global program offering access to a network of airport lounges. Imagine stepping into a serene oasis amidst the chaos of the airport. It's your ticket to a more civilized travel experience, regardless of your airline or ticket class. Whether you're flying economy or first class, Priority Pass ensures you have a tranquil space to relax. Think of it as your passport to instant airport VIP status. No more waiting in crowded terminals or searching for a quiet corner. No more fighting for power outlets or enduring the cries of overtired children. Instead, you can enjoy comfortable seating, complimentary refreshments, and high-speed Wi-Fi. With Priority Pass, you can escape the hustle and bustle of the terminal and unwind in comfort and style. Picture yourself sipping a hot coffee, reading a book, or catching up on work in a peaceful environment. But how does it work, you ask? It's remarkably simple. The process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. You choose a membership plan that suits your travel needs, whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler. Receive your Priority Pass card in the mail, which grants you access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide. And voila, you're ready to unlock a world of airport luxury. From the moment you arrive at the airport, your Priority Pass card becomes your key to a more enjoyable travel experience. So why wait? Elevate your travel game with Priority Pass today. Priority Pass offers 3 tiers of membership: Standard, Standard Plus, and Prestige. Each tier is designed to cater to different types of travelers, ensuring that everyone can find a plan that fits their needs. Each tier comes with a different level of access and benefits, allowing you to choose the plan that best suits your travel style and budget. Whether you're a casual traveler or a frequent flyer, there's a membership tier that can enhance your airport experience. The standard membership is perfect for occasional travelers. With this plan, you pay a yearly fee and then a fixed rate per lounge visit. This is ideal for those who travel a few times a year and want to enjoy the comfort of an airport lounge without committing to a higher membership cost. You pay a yearly fee and then a fixed rate per lounge visit. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of lounge access without a significant upfront investment. It's a flexible option for those who want to keep their travel costs manageable. The Standard Plus plan offers a certain number of free visits per year, making it ideal for those who travel more frequently. This tier provides a balance between cost and convenience, giving you the opportunity to enjoy lounge access without worrying about additional fees for each visit. For the ultimate jet setter, the Prestige membership provides unlimited lounge access. This plan is perfect for those who are constantly on the move and want to ensure they have a comfortable place to relax no matter where they are in the world. It's an investment in your comfort and well-being, ensuring a stress-free journey every time you fly. With unlimited access, you can take advantage of all the amenities lounges have to offer, from complimentary food and beverages to private workspaces and more. This tier truly elevates your travel experience, making every trip a pleasure. Click the link below to secure your priority pass today.